Yo, what's good people? I'm here at PKO Studios in Madrid at this crazy looking mansion studio spot. I've been booked by Placement Chasers. They're a group of producers out here who run exclusive events like this. There's a group of about 20 producers. They have placement opportunities. They have guest speakers, one of them being me. So I'll be giving a talk on social media, branding, marketing. Other than that, we have people like Costfinger, a few other guys pulling up. In this video, I just want to give you a tour of the place, show you what's going on. We'll get into some cooking up and it's gonna be a crazy vibe, man. Yes, what's good, Paul? How you doing, man? Man like steppers in the building. Same, man.
How you doing?
Do you prefer cooking up in big studios or bedroom? Sometimes I'll step into a big studio like this and then it's like my ears just don't even work. Everything's out of key and shit. I'm like, I don't know what's going on.
Facts. I feel the same too. I feel like I tend to make different kind of beats when I'm in a different environment.
Right.
Even changing the device in which you're working the beat on, like using someone else's.
Yeah.
Bro, that's true. I would see your fucking tutorials, bro.
Oh, thank you, bro.
Too, man.
I appreciate it. It's crazy that people are watching like in Spain as well, because sometimes I just forget that people are out there watching them. I just post the videos and then you forget these are real people. So then when someone says, oh, I watch your videos, I'm like, oh shit, it's actually not bots. So right now the guys are split into teams doing the beat battles. So let's see what everyone's cooking up. So I'm calling this the reverse path to placements because I didn't really take a traditional route with producing. I wanted to focus more on building up my name online, building up social media presence, and then as a result of that, it led to placements further down the line. The way to think of it is solve a big problem for a specific group of people, and then within each video, talk about anything you like as long as it relates to that problem. Some people will make thumbnails where there's like 10 different things going on and it's too distracting. People's brains don't operate like that. They just want that one thing to focus on, otherwise they're gonna move on to the next one that does it. But then I'm showing you how you can go from that to that. So then people are like, okay, if I watch this video, my chords are gonna go from that to that. And also, how has he done that? Again, it just makes you want to click and watch the video. Yo, it's day 2 of the Producer Royalty Camp. Today we've got a few different talks. We've got Daniel Cruz and his guys coming from Producer Royalty, giving a talk on the legal side of production, chasing money from placements and things like that. We've also got Costfinger giving a talk on growing a Type Beat channel and his success. And apart from that, the guests that are coming, they'll be doing a huge beat battle. Also, we're going to be getting into some cook-up sessions as well. So I think you'll like this day. I'm just going to hit the gym real quick and we'll get into it.
Just that.
Man like Costfinger.
Just something like that at the end.
Yeah.
Do you have an idea for this one? How's your family?
Good, bro.
How's your mum?
Good.
Yeah.
Good.
I miss your mum. She's a great.
That's a bad sentence to say.
Bro, no, you lot are weird, yeah. It's La Familia. His mum is a very hospitable person.
Yeah.
Oh, do you know what? Fuck all of you guys then.
What was the first one you played? I kind of like that one, you know.
Oh, that's better.
Better than yesterday. Yesterday was for me.
dad do?
He's like a optical fiber commercial.
Yeah. The way it blended is crazy.
I think that's it for now. Don't tell me it's crashing. I ain't even saved this shit yet. Fuck Max,
no.
man.
I have a theory for it. Because creativity, especially like what we do, it's an output, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
So for every output, there must be an input.
Mm.
If you want to think of it through like a scientific lens.
Yeah.
So I'm thinking like, the more shit you do, the more shit you experience in life, whether it's new food, I don't know, girls, or like whatever you do, traveling, driving, gym.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
If you have more input, I think you have more output. That's,
I hear that.
I don't
That
know,
makes
maybe
sense.
you've thought of that before, but
Nah, that makes sense. This looks crazy.
you cooked it quick.
Got an idea down. That loop was fire.
Yeah, no, you went crazy. Back in the chat. Have you got any loops that I could use?
Yeah, definitely, man. Gonna try to cook something quick.
Yeah, it could be cool.
Let's do it, man. I'll save that.
This one's actually very hard.
This one.
Do you know what it is? If I can start singing to a loop.
Yeah, then you know. Got Paul Beats in the building. So when you play your chords, do you know what you're playing? Do you know the theory, or is it just like
No, it's just because I learned one
scale?
one scale, yeah.
Oh, okay, yeah. Like C minor.
Yeah.
Yeah. Bro, every time we use this laptop, someone adds an emoji.
You gotta be careful we don't bait you out. You've been using some crazy emojis.
Yeah, my top emojis.
Oh yeah, that one's nice.
Funny, I think that breath you've used is my breath as well.
Do you know what I was gonna ask that? So you're literally sound designing like a lot of these yourself.
I like to just make something that you don't find in other kit.
It's providing real value.
Mm.
Ooh.
That's hard.
I don't really like making beats for the sake of showing off.
Yeah, of course.
Like
Start doing
I'm
too much.
always, yeah, too much, and it's like I always keep the rapper in mind.
Yeah.
Because what's the point? There's a lot of people that do it, and they're crazy at making beats, but they just don't get used, do they?
And basically, the drill was dying, so the demand for the genre was dying. So this is when I had to start realizing I need to adapt. So if you're making new shit every day, you gotta focus on the new stuff getting popular.
So through Producer Royalty, I created it for 2 reasons. One, to make it the best platform to learn about the business side of your career, as well as a company entirely focused on collecting producers' money. Asking for 4 points as a major label producer, like you have to have a good amount of leverage to get that.
Yo, good morning people. Today is day 3 of the Placement Chaser Camp. Today we're gonna start it off with a podcast. I'm here with Daniel Cruz from Producer Royalty, and we'll be filming a podcast for his channel. He'll be interviewing me. We actually interviewed him for our podcast as well, so I can leave a link to that below. But other than that, we've got a new group of people coming, so it'll be the same as the first 2 days, but it's a fresh restart, so fresh people. I'll be doing another talk today. We have other guests. There'll be different beat battles and challenges. It's gonna be crazy, man, so let's get into it. Tons of plugin companies reach out to me, and I always just ask myself, would I personally use this product and would my audience benefit from it? And if the answer is no to either of those, then it's not right. You have to have that behind you, because people will spot it quick if you just promote anything. And you know it's a bad product, and you're in the video like hyping it up, and people know it's fake, so you have to be legit.
So I actually started producing back in 2012. I don't know if any of you guys have used GarageBand, but I was making some shit beats and nothing like that. A few years later, discovered FL Studio, and that's what I use today.
I got it.
So I done this one in like 5 minutes.
Did you?
And
That's
otherwise I
crazy.
could spend half an hour
Trying to perfect it.
straight in with the drums.
Just because I'm short on time. You got some vocals in mind? You found some that'll go with it?
Nah, my spice is being weird. Could you use one from your kit?
Oh, we could do. There's more of like these, like vowel type ones.
Could try one of them.
Right.
Yeah, the last one.
Yeah, that one.
That's cool. It's
kinda cool,
That's
isn't
cool. That's cool. I could do a B section after.
Yeah?
If
Okay.
you want.
Yeah, that'd be cool. I'm gonna pass it over to you.
When you're ready, when you're ready.
Have we shoot here in like 10 minutes?
Yeah, we can wrap up in 10. Fucking with the beat.
Fuck yeah, bro, that shit is hard. You made that quick too.
The emojis again.
Let me put a snare so I get some publishing.
Yeah, come.
Give him that
Alright,
one
let me
hat.
snare, let
Go
me
on,
snare.
add one
There you
thing.
go.
This is the first beat you've made.
Bro, he's a crazy producer.
What do you do? Control what?
Command Z.
Control Z.
Oh,
Okay.
That's alright. That's alright.
Alright. Wait, well, how do I drag, right? We drag it over here.
Yeah?
Yeah. Where's the split sheets?
No, you went hard, bro.
Likewise, man. The start was crazy. All right, so just a quick 20-minute cook up with Yoshi. We had to cut it short because they were filming a podcast after. And that's the end of the trip, man. This is the final day. Yesterday, we went out in Madrid for a bit, linked up with one of Cosfinger's boys who's been on a couple of his beats, just so I could see Madrid at least once because I've never been here before. But this was a crazy trip. So huge shout out to Placement Chasers for arranging everything. It was sick to see what they're building and the way they've organized everything. So yeah, man, huge shout out to them. Hope you guys like this video as well. It's a little bit different to my usual content. Right now I've got to run, get a flight back home and get back to business. So appreciate you all for watching.